Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to flush your brake system in your car, your entire brake system in your car. So let's begin. First thing we're going to do is locate our brake fluid reservoir right here, and then we are going to locate the farthest wheel from the reservoir is this one. So we are going to begin our flush with this one. Then we're gonna do this one right here. Then the third one is this one, and then the nearest of the reservoir is this one. So this is going to be the last one. Something very important is to check the reservoir, because the brake fluid it's gonna get a little bit low. So we are going to put new fluid right here to the max, and then check always the line is in the max. So in my latest video I show you how to do it in the rear brakes. So I'm gonna leave a clip from the video right here, and I'm gonna explain it. So and then I'm going to explain you how to do it with your front tires, with the calipers right here. Obviously I'm going to show you just one wheel, because the other wheel is the same thing as this one. So let's begin. So we're going to take off the wheels, because we can do this with the wheel on. We're gonna bleed this cylinder with this. As you can see here, it's going to be a cap, a rubber cap. You need to take it off, and then we are going to use this thing I have here for bleeding the air of the cylinder. And we are gonna put this end of the hose right here like this, and we are gonna open this with a wrench like this. But you need someone to be pressing the brake pedal, so you can be here taking off the air. And you need to know that the reservoir of the liquid it's gonna drain, so you need to fill it up. So you need to be conscious that your reservoir is gonna drain out, so you need to fill it up with your brake fluid. I'm gonna use DOT3, but you use the brake fluid that your car recommends. Here in the cap you can see my car recommends DOT3 or DOT4, so I'm gonna use DOT3 for this. So here in the cockpit you are gonna have someone to push your brake to here a few times, and that's gonna do that the air of the system bleed out. So yes, we're gonna do that. So here in our front wheel we're going to look for our caliper right here, and then we're going back here and we're going to look for this bolt right here. So with this bolt we are going to bleed our system and flush this brake. So as I showed you in the last video, here we are going to do the same thing. We're going to have our wrench right here, you can see like that, and then we're going to put our reservoir right here in here like this, just like this, and we are going to have another person in the cockpit pressing the brake, as I showed you in the last video. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. I hope it was helpful for you. In the next video I'm going to do the same but with the hydraulic clutch. If you have a manual transmission, you can do this. If you have automatic transmission, you do not have to do this. So I will be doing the next video about that, and I hope it was helpful. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and see you in the next video.